order to add a custom ribbon button in different entity forms, we can leverage Power Apps. Let's go to Solutions to add customized ribbon. In the Solutions, click on Apps, and here we have added Sales Hub to add a custom ribbon to one of its data entities. This will take us to the navigation menu, and in the navigation menu, we have selected one of the entities. In this case, we have selected Lead View to add a custom ribbon. Click on three dots and click on Edit Command Bar. This will give us the option to edit and choose the display of the command bar in different forms. We have selected Main From here. Upon clicking, it will load the existing ribbon buttons. On the left-hand side command bar, click on New, and a new command will be added to the main screen. On the right-hand side command bar, you can edit the properties of the new command like its label icon for the button. Here you can also use the existing standard icons available. For the action, there's an option to run a formula on Power Apps, or you can run JavaScript. In this case, we're going to run it on a JavaScript web resource. So, let's select Run JavaScript. Now, as we scroll down, we have many other options, such as visibility, tooltip title, tooltip description, accessibility text, and order number. So, we'll fill in the title as Send Email. It could be different for you. And then the description for it. Now we'll go back to add the JavaScript web resource that we've already created. Click on Library here and search for the web resource that you've created for this. Select the resource and click on Add. Let's have a look at the web resource for this. This resource gets the flow for the command and triggers it to take necessary action and show a message. For this, we are using a manual flow created on Power Automate, triggered on the condition that whenever an HTTP request is received, the row ID is fetched using the lead ID field, and an email with set template is automatically sent to the lead. Let's now set the function name the same as the JavaScript web resource. For this, we are passing a form context to JavaScript function, so we'll add the parameter of primary control from the dropdown. Once all the necessary details are filled, click on Save and Publish to test the button. Once the details have been published, click on Play. This will take us to the respective app, and in this case, Sales Hub. Let's click on Lead, for which we created a custom ribbon button. Let's click on the lead to see if we get our custom button. Here you can see the Send Email button on the ribbon that we just created. Let's click on it to check if this works. The email has been successfully sent, as seen here. Let's verify this on the email for this particular instance. Let's go to the email inbox and hit refresh. Here we have a new email that we sent through the custom ribbon button in Sales Hub. Follow us for more video guides on how to customize your Dynamics 365.